Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G52. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now, you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then simply tap Save and it's done. Let's go back and now select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.